In this question, we're hearing about the surface area of a cube being a certain expression. So let's just imagine a cube. Now, this little diagram of a cube we got from Wolfram Math World via Google, FYI. And the surface area of this cube is 6 times some number. Now, that makes a lot of sense because a cube will always have 6 faces. It has the top, the bottom, and then the 4 faces coming around the 4 sides of it. So a cube is going to have 6 faces. They're all going to be identical because a cube is a rectangular prism with 6 identical faces. So if the surface area is 6 times some number, we can assume that this part here is the area of one face because that's what the surface area is. It's, if volume means that we're going to poke a hole at the top and fill this thing with water, and volume is how much water would we be filling it with. On the other hand, surface area is the idea that we're wrapping this thing with wrapping paper, and how much wrapping paper would we use? And the basic idea of surface area, as opposed to a formula, is just the idea that we're getting the area of every face and we're adding them up. So there are 6 identical faces and they all have an area of a over 4 squared. So we're going to assume that a over 4 squared represents the area of one face. Now, what is one face of a cube? It's a square. And how would you find the area of a square? Well, a square is a rectangle with identical sides to it. So if we had a square right here and we wanted the area, if the length and the width, which are identical, are x, then the area would be x squared, right? So we can see that because it's something squared, we can see that the area of one face is a over 4, because that's the thing that's being squared to give you the area of one face. So now we've kind of taken this down from the level of the volume to the area of one face to the length of one of the sides of the face. And now we're looking for the perimeter. Now the perimeter is just the sum of all the sides added up. So all 4 sides here are a over 4, we just found out. So the perimeter is going to be all 4 of those added together. I could say 4 times a over 4. Now, when you do that, the 4's are going to cancel and you're going to get a. So what is the perimeter of one face of the cube? Believe it or not, it's a.